My dear friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, I will explain about how many number of candidate keys present in the given relation. Here in the relation, how many attributes are available? 8 attributes are available. Actually, this is a 2013 GATE question. Okay, here we have the functional dependencies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 functional dependencies are available. Okay, actually here we have 8 attributes are there. Okay, so that's why here we will check it 2 power 8 subset combinations, then only we will find out how many number of candidate keys are present. Okay, so but the simple method is first we will find out what attributes are not present in the right hand side. Okay, so here 8 attributes are available. A is covered, B, C is available, here D is missing. Okay, so next E, F, G, H are also available, only D is missing. So definitely the candidate key is surrounded to the capital D. That means definitely in the subset of okay, D is the candidate key. Okay, first we will check it what are the D closure. Okay, so D closure means D. So any functional dependencies are available here? No, that's why definitely this is the not super key. Okay, next we will check it all the combinations of with D. That means DA, DB, DC, DD, no, DD, DE, DF, DG, DH. Okay, now we will check it. Definitely the candidate keys are available from these 7 only. Okay, now we will check it DA is a candidate key or not. So first please find out the DA closure. So DA, so here A produces the BC, so that's why we will write B comma C. So A is completed, B produces the C, F, H. Okay, so here C produces the CH combination produces the G. Okay, so all the attributes are available, that's why this is the super key. And already D is not the super key, individually A is also not the super key, that's why this is the candidate key. Okay, so up to now DA is the candidate key. Now we will check it the DB, here B, C, F, H gives. Okay, so here CH gives G. Okay, so F gives EG, G already available, E. Okay, so here 7 attributes. F, EG gives H, CH gives G. What is the missing here? A is missing, so already here E is available, here E produces the A, that's why this is also candidate key. Okay, DA, DB are the candidate keys. Now we will check it the DC. So here D produces anything? No. C also not produces. CH combination is gives the G. Okay, so that's why this is not the candidate key. Okay, so now we will check it the DE. So D gives no, E gives A gives BC. Okay, so B individually gives C, F, H. Okay, so here 7 attributes are covered. What is the missing? A, B, C, D, E, F. Next G is missing. Okay, so EG gives F. Already F is available here. So F is available here, so it produces the EG. So here also all the attributes are covered. So this is the candidate key. Now we will check it the DF. So DF gives DF. So what D gives? No, F gives EG. Okay, so E gives A, G, no, GA. Okay, any available functional dependencies here? So A gives BC. So A gives BC. 7 attributes are available. What is the missing? D, E, F, G, H. H is missing here. So individually H is not determined here. Okay, so that's why this is also not the candidate key. Up to now DA, DB, DE are the candidate keys. Now we will check it the DG, So G does not gives anything here, so this is also not the candidate key. Now we will check it the DH. So here D does not gives anything, H is also not gives anything here. Okay, so DH combination no. So here G combination also not there. DC C does not gives anything. Okay, so here how many candidates keys are available? 1 2 3. So this is also not the candidate key. So DA is the candidate key, DB is the candidate key, DE is the candidate key. Okay, that means the 3 candidate keys are available here. Okay, thank you very much. Sorry for the mistake here. Once check it the DF, it produces the D F E G A B. Okay, actually B gives the CFH, so H is also available. Okay, CFH, so that's why this is also the candidate key. Okay, so that's why DF is also the candidate key. Finally, in this particular problem we have 4 candidate keys are available. Okay, thank you very much.